One of the other tools as part of learning tools is the dictation tool. And what this allows a student to do is if a student has difficulty putting their words down onto paper and needs to do it orally, they can click on this dictate button and just speak words, and the words will actually be converted and placed onto the OneNote page they are currently on. And again, this tool is not perfect. The student has to speak loudly and clearly in order for the dictation tool to work properly, and there may need to be some editing involved, but so far it works pretty well. So I'm going to demonstrate it here. When you first click on the dictate tool for the first time, you're going to get a pop-up, and it might not even pop up. You might see a flashing in your toolbar, which is not visible. But when I click on it, it does want you to put in your Office 365 credentials, again, because this is a tool that's only available to people who have Office 365 for education. So you will need to put in your account information again, and this will not happen every time you use the tool, but the first time you use the tool, it will. So just make sure you type that in correctly. And now you can see it is ready to go. It is starting to already record everything I'm saying. This little red button over here at the top indicates that it is recording, and hopefully it is recording everything I say correctly. Once I am done, I will click stop, and you can see, let's see if it read it correctly, and now you can see it is ready to go. It is starting to already record everything I'm saying. This little red button over here at the top indicates that it is recording. So if a student is using this, they are going to want to make significant pauses between sentences so that it will put in punctuation, hopefully, but it won't always work that way. However, for the most part, if you talk clear and slow enough, it should pick up anything that the student has said. So we're going to try it again. We're going to hit dictate. Tim Tebow is going to marry Jill Robinson. So this was pretty good. We need to contact Microsoft about fixing the spelling of Tim Tebow's name, but otherwise it worked pretty well. So one of the activities you're going to do, you're going to test this tool out just to see how it works. And again, this is a tool that's really designed for students, and not every student is going to benefit from using this tool. The dictation tool, as you can see, in the hands of some wise guys, they might start playing around with this in other ways that is not really school appropriate. However, for the students who really need this, this is a very, very powerful tool.